Hello cousins, I hope you are doing well at your places. Today we are going to do the rhyme 5 Little Blue Birds. So let's start our today's class. Do practice at home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Thank you.